Chooky Beat.
So he almost ran the house. Oh, you good? Go ahead.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now we are at Grange. Today's the 31st. We're drifting and all the homies are here. We got Ricky over here. Ahmed, A-Rap Money. Dallas is over here. And then we're actually under the tarp this time. So Dallas's car's right here. Gus, Brendan, and my car's over there, and A-Rap Money's right here, and Ricky's over there. But hey, like, check this drifting, bro. Flex. Hey. Hey, I saw you, bro. Okay, you were getting it. He's getting it, huh? Oh yeah, that's what's up. But the skid pad is actually open. Haven't got on it yet. I actually have six tires. So, oh shit, bro! I almost got ran over. Oh! Panel. But anyways, Kyler's over there, Justin and George. All of them are out there. We got a couple ISs out here. And I actually took her out like a couple minutes ago, and do the angle kit helps so much. But I'll have some more footage. I'll put it on so you guys will see. And this is Ricky's car, the one that we prepped in the last video. So if you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But he did some plexiglass and didn't work out that well. But he painted it black. Oh yeah, I put on my Vertex bumper again, and the way I did it was I literally duct taped it. But you guys can't even see it actually held together though, like really well. You can see the crap right there. But yeah, we're just out here, super hot. It's at least like 105 degrees. What up, bro? You gotta go out there?
I'm looking for somebody to drive with right now. You guys ready? That shit was sick. You were so close.
Fuck yeah.
For a couple of
Homie Justin moved back from Portland with a 2J GTE E36.
Like, it's the fastest my car has ever fucking been, dude. It's crazy. Like, trying to follow you guys, I'd have to be on e-brake like the whole time.
Damn.
I fucked up. I almost went off the track right there, and I whipped it like all retarded. That's why you spun out. I'm like, oh, fuck. You better go back on?
Ooh, I would love some crackers. Thank you. I'll have a piece of cheese.
I was gonna say, can I follow you? Because I never get to follow.
Hey, what happened? What happened?
My throttle cable just got disconnected, so let me try it.
Oh,
Throttle cable got disconnected.
yeah.
I was adjusting it, and I didn't tighten it hard enough, and it literally just popped off. It was just hanging like that. I was like,
Oh,
I think I tightened it up real quick.
yeah. Hey, the homies are here from BC Garage. Hey, why are you driving away from me? I'm trying to dab you up. What's up, bro? What's up? Where's everyone at?
They're coming.
Oh, shit.
Like probably about to turn.
Oh, okay, for sure. There you go. What's up, boys? What's up? Moni's car. What up, boy? What's up? What's up?
How's Carlos bump?
Ah, it's Carlo and Richie. What's up, my boy?
What up, player?
What's up, dude? We totally missed, but whatever.
Fuck, it was a bit.
Really? Right now I'm about to go record all the homies that are about to get on, because I told you guys that I haven't gotten good footage for you guys since the track, since Travis doesn't know how to fucking record. But we're gonna pull up. There's the homie's old car with the banner on it. We're about to pull up right now, guys. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Kyler almost took me out. You good? Yeah! Holy fuck! Look, I ran over. Yeah, you see that shit? Bro, I was like, alright, they're not gonna hit me. I fucking moved though, sketch. Holy shit. What happened? No, you're good. I got that on video. You good? Wait, you just slipped? Huh? Yeah. Just shot a whole bunch of sand, bro. That was. No, you're good, bro.
Sorry, dude.
No, you're good. That was sketch.
No, your e-brake didn't grab.
Yeah, I know. You see me hook up? Huh? You see me hook up?
Yeah.
I was like, ah!
The damage from me and Justin hitting. And got my intercooler piping. Somewhat my intercooler. Oh shit, that coupler is like bent out. And another dent. I'm just hitting everyone today, huh? Oh, that tire too. That was your bumper.
My tires were done. What the fuck? Oh, nice.
So we're basically cleaning up. Hoffman's a good nanny today. Look at that. Cleaning good. Cleaning very good. But anyways, we're about to end the video right here, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.